Good morning to each and every student, and this is your English class, and today again we are going to start our class with the alphabet K, L, M, N, O, P, and we are going to learn the sounds, that is phonic sound of these letters, right? So let us first see the letter. Which letter is this? Who will identify which letter is this? Yes, it's K. It's K, and we are getting it. This is capital K and this is small k. Capital K, small k. Very good, Nivedita. And here comes the sound K. As we give the sound of C, so the sound of C is K. It goes long. K. Cat. Camel. K. It goes long. Whereas the sound of K is small. K. K. Okay. So the sound of C is long. K. K. It goes long, and the sound of K is small. K. K. Now let us go for the example, like here. For example of K. Key. Right? Key. We are not saying, pronouncing it as key. Key. আমরা এরকম বলি না, right? We pronounce it key. Key. Next comes kite. Kite. K. Small k. K. Kite. Okay. So here comes the sound small k. 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 Key. Kite. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Right? K. Kangaroo. K. So here comes the sound K. K. Okay. Now let us go for the new one. And the new one is, who will tell me? It's, yes, L. Very good, Pavitra. Very good, Nivedita. Pavitra, you have to respond, beta. I can see you. Like Nivedita is responding. Okay. So I can see you. It's L. Now what is the sound of L? This is capital L. This is small l. Now what is the sound of L? The sound of L is not L. L. Bolbo na. Like if was having the sound of vibration, আমরা F এর সাউন্ডটা এরকম শিখেছিলাম, ঠিক ওই রকম আমরা L এর সাউন্ডটা শিখবো। How we will learn it? All of you put your tongue behind the teeth. তোমার জিভটা দাঁতের পিছনে দিয়ে দাও। জিভটা দাঁতের পিছনে, জিভ বাইরে আসবে না। নিবেদিতা, tongue will not come out. It will be behind your teeth. না, দাঁতের পিছনে থাকবে, মুখের ভিতরে থাকবে। Your tongue will be behind your teeth and inside your mouth. It will not come out. Okay? Yes. Right. This is the exact sound of L. L. Now let us pronounce example 2 words. So let us see whether this sound is coming out. এই সাউন্ডটা আসছে কিনা দেখি তো আমরা। Okay, let me see. Sound is not clear. Okay, sir is coming for 2 minutes. Next is okay, sir is coming. So here comes lion. Lion. So here your sound is coming behind the teeth. Lion. Whenever your tongue goes behind the teeth and pronouncing L, that is the sound of L. Okay. So this is the sound of L. This is the sound of L. Lock, lion. Lock, lion. Okay. Now let's go for the next one. And the next one is this. And which is the alphabet? The alphabet is, yes, very good. It's M. Very soon your technical problem will be solved. Sol is there and he is solving one by one. So please keep patience. Sir is coming just now. Please keep patience. I have already informed sir. He is coming. He is coming. So please keep patience for 2 minutes. Sir is there. We solved the technical problems. So they are not getting the clear sound. Thank you very much. And all the students, those who were having problem, am I audible now? Arjo, am I audible now clearly? Shall I start the class now? Okay. So, next comes the alphabet M. M. Now, what is the sound of M? The sound of M is not M. It's, you will just lock your lips. You will just lock your lips. এই যে লিপস গুলোকে বন্ধ করে নাও. You are getting a sound? You are getting a sound? Come on all of you. Come on Shrestha, do it. Come on Shrestha, do it. So whenever you are pronouncing a word with M, you get the sound okay. So let us see the example. This is the capital M, this is the small m, as you know, and let us find out the example with two words whether the sound M is getting similar as I have shown you. So the first example on this card is what? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? The first example of this card is mat. Mat. See, whenever you are pronouncing M, both of your lips are joining together. যখনই আমরা M pronounce করি তখন আমাদের lips গুলো একসঙ্গে join হয়ে যায়. Okay, mat. Mat. So here comes the pronunciation mat. So both the sound of M is okay. Now the next word is monkey. Monkey. See, both my lips are getting together. Come on all of you, pronounce it. Monkey. Monkey. দেখো তোমার দুটো ঠোঁট একসঙ্গে জয়েন হয়ে যাচ্ছে. Both the lips are joining together. Monkey. Monkey. Right? Yes. So the sound of M is okay. It doesn't have any sound. It's just a vibration. Monkey. Monkey. Mat. Mat. Map. Map. every time you announce that is M. M. Okay. Now let us go for the next sound, that is N. So here comes our next sound, that is N. Capital N as well as small n. Here comes capital N and here comes your small n. Now what is the sound of N? No. No, it's not N. The sound of N comes out from your nose. So all of you just lock your lips. আমরা মুখটা বন্ধ করে নেব. Just one finger on your nose. One finger on your nose, everyone. Everyone. Now make a sound. সাউন্ডটা কোথা থেকে বেরোচ্ছে? নোজ। ওকে, আর তুমি একটা সাউন্ড পাচ্ছ যেটা নো, দ্যাট ইজ নো, এন, বাট ইট ইজ নট নো, ইটস okay. So N is just a vibration. N is just a vibration. Okay, now let us see the example of two words with N, whether you find this sound over there or not. So let us see. The first example is, you can identify there is a picture that is of nose. See, আমরা যেটাকে বাংলাতে চন্দ্রবিন্দু বলি. Whenever you are pronouncing any word with N, you are getting the sound from the nose. You are getting the sound from the nose. So nose, nose, nose. Everyone, come on. Nose. Put your one finger on your nose. One side. Maybe it is right or left, whatever is comfortable for you. Put it here and come on. Nose. Come on, pronounce it. Pronounce it. আমার সঙ্গে বলো. Nose. Nose. Come on, Shrestha beta. Come on, Nivedita. Come on, Devansh. Come on, Anshika. Pronounce it. Nose. Nose. So how you are feeling? The sound is coming out from your nose. Nata kintu naak diye beroy. No. No. It's the in language, in Bengali language, the letter that is Chandrobindu. It's N. It's N. Okay. No. No. Okay. Okay. So here comes the next word. No. Nest. 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 Okay, so there is a strong vibration in your nasal passage. When you pronounce any word with N, there is a strong vibration in your nasal passage. This is your nasal passage, and from here the sound, that the air comes out from your nasal passage, it makes the sound of N. It makes the sound of N. That is the phonics, because if you just do by heart all these sounds and vibrations, then it's impossible to beat you to read any word in this world. যারা ফনিক্স ভালো করে শেখে তারা কিন্তু তাদেরকে কেউ হারাতে পারে না যে কোনো ওয়ার্ড পড়া থেকে। যত শক্তই হোক, যত বড়ই হোক, তুমি কিন্তু সেই ওয়ার্ডটা ফনিক্সের হেল্প দিয়ে পড়ে ফেলবে। ওকে, বাট ইউ শুড বি অ্যাওয়্যার অফ দ্য সাউন্ডস অফ দ্য অ্যালফাবেট. You have to be aware of the sounds of the alphabet. Okay, so important is phonics. That's why phonics is important.
we have learned A to Z, but we have not learned the sounds of these words. And because we are not learning the exact sound of this word, যখনই আমাদের এনসাইক্লোপিডিয়া পড়তে দেওয়া হয়, যখনই আমাদেরকে নিউমোনিয়া ওয়ার্ড লিখতে দেওয়া হয়, যখনই আমাদেরকে সাইকোলজি লিখতে দেওয়া হয়, আমরা স্পেলিংয়ে বড় হয়ে ভুল করি। যত বড়ই হয়ে যাই আমরা ভুল করি। Because of this, because we have not learned phonics properly. That's why phonics is very, very, very much important. Okay, now the next alphabet is, what is this, students? Come on. Yes, it's O. O. And this will sound as O. O. The sound of O is same. O. Make your lips round. Make your lips round. O এর মতন গোল করে নাও মুখটা। O. 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 Right? Very good. Now let us learn the examples with O. Orange. Make the lips round. Orange. 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 Next comes ostrich. Ostrich. So whenever you are pronouncing a word with O, that means we are making our mouth just a circle pose like O. যখন আমরা O প্রনাউন্স করি, আমরা কিন্তু আমাদের ঠোঁটটাকেও O এর মতনই করে নিই। দেখো, ostrich. Come on, all of you, repeat after me. Ostrich. Ostrich. Yes. Owl. 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 Orange. 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 So whenever we pronounce O, we make our lips like O. That is the very much important feature of O. O. ঠিক আছে? বাংলায় যেটা O, সেটা হচ্ছে ইংরেজিতে O. Understood? Now, I'm trying to make your mother language and the English language very simple for you. English language is not at all so hard that you cannot relate that language with your mother language. তোমার মাতৃভাষার সঙ্গে অনেকটা মিল। ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজও আমাদের বাংলা ভাষার মতনই খুব সহজ। But the very important thing is how scientifically you learn it. Okay, you have to learn this language very scientifically. So we are going to do it, and that's why you are going to be the genius to learn the language, right? Now the next one is P. Now this alphabet, this is the capital P and this is the small p. Capital P and small p. Now what is the sound of P? Now the sound of P is not P. It's P. Just all of you join both the lips. Join both the lips and you make the sound. Come on, all of you. Anshika, come on beta. Anshika, put down the book. Ekhon boyer kono kaj nei. Anshika, please put down the book and concentrate in the class. I would request Anshika's guardian to please let her to concentrate in the class, whatever I am teaching. There is nothing in the book, beta. Eguno boye nei. Come on, all of you. So this is the sound of P. 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 So we are just throwing the air out of our mouth. When we are pronouncing P, আমরা যখন P pronounce করছি, আমাদের মুখের ভেতরের হাওয়াটাকে আমরা বাইরে ছুঁড়ে দিচ্ছি। Very good. So here comes capital P, here comes small p, and here comes the example of capital P as well as small p. Example of capital P as well as small p. Okay, so here pan, pan. See, both the lips, আমাদের দুটো ঠোঁট একসঙ্গে হয়ে হাওয়াটা বাইরে বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে যখন আমরা p বলছি। pan, pan, pan. Come on, all of you, repeat with me. Pan, pan. Yes, very good. Pan. Next comes pot, 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 pot. Yes, so we are just locking both the lips and we are just throwing out the air, and that is pa. Asma, I didn't told you to write it just now. Asma, I didn't told you to write it just now. Please concentrate when I am teaching you something, beta. Okay, not now. I will ask for it later. First you concentrate over here. Pa, pot, pot, pot. Okay, 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 very good. So today we learned the letters that are K. Okay, everyone, K, L, M, N, O, P. K, L, M, N, O, P. Now the fact is K, L, O, 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 P, P, P. Very good. So today we learned these sounds. That is K for K, L for L, M for M, for N, O for O, and P for P. P for P. So now your activity is to open your English 1 copy and you will write down one page KLMNOP capital letters, and on the other page you will write down small KLMNOP in your 4-line copy. Now the writing pattern, you can see that I have made here 4 lines over here, and all the capital letters are touching the upper red line and the lower blue line. Okay, no one is touching the lower red line, so you have to maintain this pattern. You have to maintain this pattern. Next comes the small letter. Here you can see the K has been upper red, lower, between 2 lines, upper to lower, then after 2 blue lines, and here comes your, yes, small letters. So K to P and K to P, 2 different pages. You will write down only one time just now, and for the next I will give you what activity to complete the whole page. Okay, to complete the whole page একটা পাতায় capital A to P লেখো, আরেকটা পাতায় small k to P লেখো, আর এটাকে activity work হিসেবে complete করবে. Now the last activity work which I have given, Asma has sent me the image. Anyone more who is going to send me the image? Okay, over here Shrestha Nandi, small letter K to P on different page, because Shrestha is going to practice capital K to P on one particular page and small k to P on another particular page. So please write down small k to P on different page. Okay, thank you. Next comes, yes, now it's Shrestha. Very good, Shrestha. You have completed your work. And where is beta? Small f to j. Also complete small f to j. Okay, small letter f to j. One page. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow you are not having your online classes, so you will complete that one. Asma has completed that one. Very good, Asma. Very good, Ashma. Both the pages you have completed, capital and small. Excellent. Here comes our Shrestha. Excellent, beta. Small letter. Where is your capital letter, Shrestha? And here is, okay, Bintika. Capital A to, capital K to P একটা পেজে, small k to P আরেকটা পেজে, and you have to complete the whole of the activity before your next class. Okay, that is your activity work. Okay, Ashma, I know beta, all of you know A to Z. I know that. But now we are not learning A to Z. I am trying to teach you the sounds which will help you to read the letters, to read the words. Okay, so now we will focus on the sound, because I know in playgroup and prep you have learned A to Z. Each and every one, each champions of BMS know A to Z. But my intention is not to teach you alphabet A to Z. My intention is to teach you the phonic sound of these alphabets. Okay. Okay, very good. Excellent, Bintika. Now, small letter also you will write down. Okay, Bintika? Very good. Very good. So, I conclude my class over here. You are having your next class, maths class. So, I will be back again with your science class. Bye-bye.